Nakautot ng kuda. So sabi ko, hala, para tayong kabayo na ginugukod. Akala ko talaga masira yung lawnmower. Thank you. Bye. Love you. Okay. Hala, I'm the only. Hala, look at my car. Tignan nyo guys. Andito si Tami. Yan. Naghintay talaga. Swimming pool. I don't want swimming pool, but now I want swimming pool. Swimming pool, hon.
Good morning, Philippines!
Come here, Roxy. Mama, Roxy, come. I'm going to eat first, okay? I'm going to eat breakfast. Good morning. Say good morning to everyone. Good morning. Hi, Misty Monkey. Hi, Monkey Kang. Hi. What's in your mouth, Monkey? What? You put it down and Misty got it. Oh, you Misty got it. Yes. Good morning. Good morning, love. Today is Monday, right? Today is Monday. I know. Bread tayo, guys. Ito yung kinakain ko. 4 na bread. Maliit yan, guys, ha? Pag ganunon mo, lumiit. Wala lang laman, guys. Kaya 4 yung kinakain ko, guys.
Sige sa combatic atake, usa mag-research.
Hala.
Ano man, John Digapon mo na mando sa inyong management?
Hala.
Nga atakihag maayo ang kapa?
Hala.
Atakihan ninyong maayo si Apolinario?
Hala. Okay guys, kain lang tayo. And magkakatay ng grass mamaya kasi bibi ay
yung pisinas kapa dia. Linya diyan po ng tao. Samtang nagkadugang, samtang nagkadaghan,
Tuslo ta,
samtang nagtakunog ang membro sa kapa. Nagkagamay usab ang mamalitay sa ilang produkto nga power cells, drive max o uban pa. Samtang nitaas ang linya dire sa amoa. Daghan kaayo dire sa among opisina magsaysay corner Mabini.
Hi guys, ano tayo guys, magkakatayo ng grass. Ano na, almost 10 o'clock. Magkatayo ng grass. Magmedyas lang ko guys. Magmedyas at saka magsapatos. Itong sapatos ko na gustong gusto ko as in sneakers. Sneaker ba to eh? Sneakers, how to pronounce it? Sneakers ay, mura lang siya, chocolate. Ito yung ginagamit ko sa pag-garden. Mahal pa naman ito. And then ngayon, hindi ko na siya magagamit kasi sobrang dumi na. Sobrang strong niya eh. 60 itong palit ko. Pagbili. Ginamit ko lang sa yard. Whatever. Sayang. Pananon tayo. Sumakit ang ulo ko. Sumakit ang puwit ko. 6 bomb Roxy. Tugudugudug. Sana hindi nadala ni Tami yung yawi. Hala pa rin. Hala. Patay ito talaga si Tami. Dito ako naglinis. Sinilhigan ko yan. Ay, yung yawi andito pala. Na, paano ba to? Nakautot ng kuda. Simko na nun. Hold on guys ah. Lat man ito eh. Talagang buhay na ako. Pap. Lat na naman. Mamaya na. Mag-cut muna ako, guys. Hi, guys. Ay, natapos din ako, guys, sa pagka-cut ng grass. Tignan niyo. Tapos, ang laki ng area, di ba? Alam niyo, usually, I cut the grass like 2 something hours. But now, mga 2 hours, yung ano ko. Usually, mga almost 3 ako pakita ko sa inyo. Ito. Ang laki ng yard. Napagod ako, guys. Umulan. Kaya, para akong kabayo nga may, kasi umulan. So, nagmamadali ako. And I need to spray here. Alis muna ako, guys. Punta ako sa isang bahay kasi walang nagbantay sa biyanan ko. So, yun. Mag-spray ako dito, guys. Kasi, tumutubo na yung At saka, hindi pa kami naglagay ng mulch kasi wala si Tami. So, yan. Oh my God. Yep. Finally, natapos din. Ito din na area. Dito din. Tapos, hindi ko dyan na-cut kasi delikado. Yan. Tapos, 11:70 na ng umaga. Let's see kung nag-text si Tami. Busy yun eh. Dito na. Hindi umulan, guys. Nung nag-start ako, guys, sa front yard. And then sa gilid. And then another gilid. Nag-start umulan nang dito na talaga ako sa loob ng fence namin. Nag-start na siya ng ulan. So sabi ko, hala, para tayong kabayo na ginugukod. Akala ko talaga masira yung lawnmower. Buti na lang, palagi kong sinecheck yung gulong. Ba't ang dilim? Yung gulong niya, palagi kong sinecheck. Para hindi tayo matanggong. Hindi tayo kapag na-flat yung gulong at kung saan ka, doon ka. Kasi mahirap ko lang magtutulak ba. Si Tami wala dito, so ako lang. Si Roxy hindi makapaghintay. Gusto nang lumabas. Sabi ko, punta tayo kay Dada. Ngayon, nag-wine. Kasi sabi ko, Dada, punta tayo. Gusto na niyang pumunta. Hindi nakapaghintay. Nga mayroon pa akong mga gagawin. Alam niyo iyan si Roxy. Kapag Dada ng pagsasabihan natin, Dada, wa na tayo. Patik. And then, bago tayo aalis, ilagay natin yung basura kahit Wednesday pa yon. Ilagay natin ahead of time kasi wala tayo dito, di ba? 3 linggo na hindi nalabay yung basura na tapon. Hindi ko alam. Anyway, oh my God, naririnig ninyo yan? Si Roxy yan! Si Roxy yan! Lagay natin to sa sasakyan. Labas na tayo. Okay. Let me open the garage. Hi guys, naghanap ako. Tapos na akong nagtapon ng basura. Ngayon, hanap tayo ng wallet. Kasi hindi ko nakita yung wallet dito. Hindi ko alam kung asan. Pero, hindi ito eh. Yeah. Hindi ito. Meron akong maliit na wallet na ginagamit. Asa na yun? Parang may something sa shoes ko ba? Hold on guys ha. Ay, tangtangin natin, tangtangin. Aray, ginawa ko. Ay, parang may something talaga. Meron talaga. Daan pa ako. Nawala man. Uy, asan man ka? Ay, dito. Kapag may maliit na kahit anek-anek na matigas sa sapatos masuloob, sobrang annoying, di ba? Kahit sobrang liit niya, pero sobrang annoying. Lalot na mag-drive ka na hindi mo ay nako. Guys, pasensya na kayo guys ha, lately itong mga vlog ko is nasa sasakyan ako and papunta doon. Wala naman talaga akong ginagawa kundi ako punta balik doon sa isang bahay, di ba? Para kay biyanan. Aray, ginawa ko. Kuha ko ng gas, guys. Hi, Rox! Maganda si Dada.
So,
I will see you later na lang. I will see you sa isang bahay kasi
You've been so busy lately.
I have to text Tammy.
Like, I feel like
Hi guys, I am here. Si Roxy nag-iiyak-iyak kasi wala yung ama niya dito. Wala si Tammy.
A few moments later.
That are moderate to heavy. We're at 58 degrees. We've got showers in your umbrella through the evening hours. They did drop the flood advisory in Suffolk County. There's still some ponding on area roads, and we've seen over an inch of rain on the east end, but still some decent rains. Closing in a quarter to half inch. South shore of Long Island down the shore as well, and some.
So yung dinner guys, nagdi-dinner na siya. Tammy's here. Tammy's dropping me off to my car. And,
open?
huh? Yeah, it's open. Okay, Han. Okay.
Oh, you went.
Hold on.
You want me to just back in?
No. God, don't block over here. You can go now and leave me. Thank you.
Hang on.
Thank you. Bye. Love you. Hala, I'm the only. Hala, look at my car. Tignan nyo guys. Dito si Tammy yan. Naghintay talaga. I'm just gonna pick up my car. Tignan nyo dito guys. Konti na lang yung natira na sasakyan. Sana walang ticket. Sana hindi ako na ng ticket kasi konti na lang mga doktor tong nandito ba or ibang nurse. Yun. This is I'm here in the car. And, yun. Okay.
Few inches later.
Okay, tignan natin kung alin yung lutuin natin. Daming pagkain dito da. So, we're gonna eat the nuts over there in the dining. Cashew. Kakain lang ako ng leftover chicken guys. The Tammy doesn't even touch. Doesn't touch. Anyway guys, kakain lang kami guys. 8:80 na ng gabi and Tammy's here. You guys see this new haircut of him?
Well, it looks like hell right now. Hi guys.
You look hell? You're
I
not.
look like hell. What happened to her tail? Look at her tail.
I do that intentionally because
Oh, you wasn't telling
it's 8 o'clock na guys. I don't even do nothing. Tomorrow I will edit a video tomorrow because I'm not going early. And yun, I'm not going early there. So mom's best friend again is coming back here. She live in Queens and she drive here. It's like bad traffic and she can drive. Can you imagine? And she is 90 years old guys, and she is like she's still very strong. Guys, if you have a river or swimming pool, exercise every morning, right, Han? It's good for your bones.
Just 2 hours a day.
2 hours a day? 2 hours a day, guys.
Water aerobics, low impact. It's not impactful on your bones like running and jogging. Like so, in the water, your muscles actually work harder because the water fights them.
Yeah,
And no impact on your bones. It's called a low impact.
that's nice.
Because like jogging and running is high impact. It's like your bones are taking a beating constantly. It's going up.
We should do swimming, guys. Han, swimming pool. I don't want swimming pool, but now I want swimming pool. Swimming pool, Han. Han, swimming pool. Guys, you know what swimming pool, guys? It's really hard maintaining it. Guys, I'm so happy that I did cut the yard today. Oh my god. The yard, guys.
Grass.
The grass.
Come up with the word.
Okay, the grass. I cut the grass. Oh my god, I'm so happy because once you cut the grass, Han, you see what you did, even though it's tiring, even though it's kind of like annoying because we have a big yard. Once you see what you did and you see your yard is clean, it feels good, Han. Right? You feel that?
2 days later, it's grown again.
Yeah, you.
I know. I feel bad for them. Dimples too, even like Dimples doesn't show you. You could always see it in her eyes, always.
But Hobbs is the one that, like, very like.
He's outspoken.
Yeah. Meow! And then early in the morning, you know, the gate is closed. Suddenly, there you go. He is over there. And I cannot sleep properly early in the morning because he is like walking all over the place.
That was good.
It's very porky.
Ideally, that's supposed to be that way. This is a company that actually makes pork. Pork.
Oh, this is good for vinegar I put here. No, it's good. Try it. Try it, hon. What did you say?
Too late. They had a cat riding on a little robot vacuum.
Yeah.
I can see Hobbs doing that.
Ah, the vacuum thing that it will like
Like the Roomba. Like,
it's just
they're driving around, the cat sitting on it with tail. And I can see Hobbs doing it.
I don't. They are all like afraid of noise and movement.
See what Hobbs' curiosity gets him.
Maybe we can throw this out and put that in the Ziploc bag.
We'll just put those pieces in wood.
Yeah. Ah, it's just a few pieces here. Tommy loves, how do you call this? Cracklings, chicharrons. Gusto ni Tommy, guys. Guys, asan yung
I never
mga...
had any of them.
I mean, you like chicharon.
I like it, but it's very salty and I don't eat it.
You like the chicharon that I got from Asian store. I wanna go to Asian store, hon. Punta lang ako sa taas. I'm going up, hon. Yeah. Can you shut the light off? Puntas tayo sa taas. Magbihis tayo doon. And, kunin ko lang tong slipper ko. Let's go up. Si Roxy, nauna na eh. Dito. Hi, Rox. Hala, the light is outside. It's auto, alright?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Cannot see
Shut
in
it off because it does like same one of those yellow and turns itself on and off.
Oh God, ang dilim dito. May momo pa naman itong bahay na to. May momo. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next one. Do not forget to subscribe and like this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys na lang next time. Bye. Good night, yes. Dito na ako sa kwarto. Good morning, guys. Today is Tuesday. Trabaho na si Tommy. Ang aga niyang umalis. And ako tapos na akong kumain ng bread. And mamaya na akong hapon punta sa rehab kasi mamaya na kasi may bisita naman siya. So yun. Alis lang ako, guys. Punta tayo sa biyanan.
Nag-vlog ka?
Oh, ngayon lang, karon lang, punta ako sa biyanan and then balik lang ako mamaya. Kausap ko yung tiyahin ko. Tiyahin.
Nag-vlog pa talaga, kausap ako.
Karon rang gani, oy, kay mula kaon ako, di na ako dalhong ang camera. Program of what?
The way they did each one of these movies has a slide, like two on your slides. And they got them as image files, and they're gonna get screwed up.
Alam nyo ba, itong picture na yan, maliit yan na picture, yung very old picture na, of course, very old. Yung sa biyanan ko, yan yung father-in-law ko na hindi ko nakita, hindi ko na-meet. Siya yun. And yun yung mother-in-law ko. Sobrang taas niya, guys. Nung bata pa siya, guys. Sobrang taas niya. Ngayon, nagsishrink siya. Siya yun. And alam nyo ba yung frame na yan, guys? Pinagawa ko yan sa Pilipinas. Yung pag-uwi ko 2015. 15 ba yun? Yeah, 15. Pag-uwi ko doon, alam nyo ba, mahal ng bayad niyan. Mura lang sa pagpagawa ng frame. Alam nyo, guys, ang nabayaran ko sa airplane para dalhin yan, $200. Ano siya, parang safety kasi, sabi nila, daw, may glass. So, nagbabayad ako para for safety, $200 guys, extra guys, ang mahal guys. So, that means to 10,000 yun pag pesos. My God, ang mahal. Pero, I'm happy because pagdala ko dito, na-surprise siya. Well, actually, nasabi ni Tommy, so na-happy siya pagkita. Kasi wala siyang frame na ganon, na sobrang laki. Puro lang sila mga picture-picture, ganon. So, pinalakihan ko, yun. Masaya siya kasi may malaki siyang sa kasal nila. Yan. Sobrang happy niya. Matagal na yan, guys. Alis lang ako, guys. Tumawag lang si Tammy and then alis tayo. Punta tayo doon kung ano nang mga nangyayari doon sa rehab. And yun lang yun, guys. And kita-kita na yung taba natin. But anyway, I don't care. Tabunan natin yung taba natin sa baywang. Baywang daw to. Shoulder. Anyway, ito yung lulutuin ko, guys. Minaano ko na siya ngayon. Niluluto ko na. Ito yung US, beef pat roast. Yeah, from binili ito Costco. And yes, 15 bucks ang total nito. Hala, 4 o'clock na pala, 4:10. So, balik ako after pag maluto ito, balik ako dun sa Kasi may sila, women's something. Sila lahat, Women's Day. So, yun. And luto lang tayo and then balik tayo mamaya. My husband, guys, binigyan ako ng headache.
I give you a headache. You had a headache long before I even got to town. You told me on the phone you had a really bad headache.
But you give it worse.
I give it worse.
Anyway, guys, katatapos lang namin kumain. We're gonna go to bed. Soon. Not good.
Sorry, I keep waking you up at 3 o'clock in the morning. Not so much how old, but how much
Strong.
How strong and active.
Look at Angie.
You don't stop her at all. She does everything. Mom, she drives. Yeah, Mom, she's a whole different animal than you are.
Yeah.
She also walks. Where do you walk?
She looks good too. Ay, nako! I love you too much.
So do you kiss her? Then you want to.